Hi guys, I've got a tiny tip for when you need to sand polymer clay with a piece of embedded wire. I've had problems sanding clay with wire because what happens is I end up sanding off the decorative surface of the wire near to where the polymer clay attaches. I've tried adding tape around the wire, but it's fiddly to do, and also the masking tape tends to disintegrate with the water with the wet sanding. My solution is to use a little glass bead, especially the wonky ones because they're slightly longer. Put this on the wire and then I push it against the polymer clay with my thumb, support the polymer with my forefinger, and then I can sand the surface without worrying about scratching my wire. Just keep pushing the bead against the polymer clay to protect your wire. And that's it.